Here are 20 frequently asked questions about Jamaica and their answers. You know when you do a Google search and you see a section called People Also Ask, then there is a list of questions and their answers below that? Well, today I'm going to answer those questions for you. Number 1. What language is spoken in Jamaica? English is Jamaica's official language, but most Jamaicans speak fluent Patois. It is partly derived from English, West African languages, and Spanish. There are local varieties of Patois across the island. However, contrary to popular belief, Jamaicans do not walk around saying Irie and Yaman. Here are some words in Patois. Wantum, Wadagwan. You alright? There. Number 2. Is Jamaica a part of the USA? Jamaica is not a part of the United States of America. However, North America, Central America, South America, and the Caribbean are typically referred to as the Americas. Jamaica is an island in the Caribbean, therefore it is considered part of the Americas. I think that's where the misunderstanding may be coming from. In addition, there is a neighborhood in New York called Jamaica that may very well be contributing to the misunderstanding as well. Number 3. Is Jamaica in Africa? No. See question 2. Number 4. Who named Jamaica? The name Jamaica comes from the Arawaks, otherwise known as Tainos. They were the original inhabitants of the island. They call Jamaica Zaimaka, which roughly translates to Isle of Springs or Land of Wood and Water. Number 5. What is the main religion in Jamaica? The main religion in Jamaica is Christianity. Number 6. The 6th frequently asked question about Jamaica is, what is Jamaica known for? One of the many things Jamaica is known for is its beautiful beaches and lush landscapes. Jamaica is also known for its music. It is, after all, the birthplace of reggae and dancehall. The reggae artist Bob Marley has been credited with increasing the popularity of Jamaican music across the world. Other popular Jamaican musicians are Shaggy and Sean Paul. Jamaica is well known for having very fast track and field athletes like Usain Bolt, Shelly-Ann Fraser, and Elaine Thompson-Herah, to name a few. We're also known for having one of the best bears, Red Stripe Bear. Blue Mountain Coffee is also rated as one of the best coffee brands. And who could forget our food? We are known for jerk chicken, jerk pork, and of course oxtail. Plus, there are many other things that Jamaica is known for. If you can think of others, please list them below. Number 7. What is a typical breakfast in Jamaica? A typical Jamaican breakfast consists of any of the following: fried dumpling, otherwise known as Johnny cake, ackee and saltfish, brown provisions, hallelujah, cornmeal porridge, peanut porridge, salt mackerel, fried egg and bread, saltfish fritters, kidney and liver, paired with some kind of tea, be it mint tea, ginger tea, some fever grass, cocoa, chocolate, or coffee. Number 8. Is healthcare free in Jamaica? Yes, it is free for all citizens to use public hospitals and clinics. Number 9. How much does it cost to see a doctor in Jamaica? As of 2021, a visit to a general practitioner can cost anywhere from $3,000 to $5,000. A visit to a specialist may cost you $6,000 and over. Number 10. What is Jamaica's main source of income? Tourism is Jamaica's main source of income. Number 11. How do Jamaicans say hello? Wa'am, wagwan, long time no see you. Yo, you good? What a pre. Not to mention the old favorites. Hi, hello, how are you? Number 12. How do Jamaicans say thank you? Thank you, thanks, thanks, that's thanks minus the H, and respect. Number 13. What does gyal mean? It's patois for girl. Number 14. What does it mean to rate someone in Jamaica? If a Jamaican says, "Me rate you," it means that they like and respect you. Number 15. Why do Jamaicans say hush? In other countries, hush means shut up, but in Jamaica, it simply means sorry. It's a way of expressing sympathy. So if someone is crying or worried, you would say something like, hush, everything will go alright. Number 16. Is it safe to travel to Jamaica right now? Or is it safe to go to Jamaica? Yes, it is safe to go to Jamaica. However, the same level of precautions you would take in your home country, you would do the same here. I recall once on my way home in the evening seeing a backpacking tourist alone in the dark on a lonely road. Don't do that. I don't care how badass you think you are. Stay away from lonely roads in the night, and that's the same everywhere you go. Another most asked question about Jamaica is number 17. Do I have to quarantine if I travel to Jamaica right now? Yes. If you are fully vaccinated, you will be required to quarantine at home for 8 days after landing in Jamaica. However, you may choose to do a COVID-19 test at your own cost. If the test is negative, your quarantine will end upon showing the results. If you are not vaccinated or you're not fully vaccinated, you are required to quarantine for 14 days. I will put the link to the Visit Jamaica website in the description box if you want more detailed information. Number 18. What do I need to travel to Jamaica during COVID? You will need to obtain a travel authorization. You do not need it to book your flight, however, you will need it to check in and to board the plane. You will also need a negative COVID-19 test or proof of vaccination. Links will be in the description box below if you want more information about travel authorization and where to apply for it. Number 19. Is $100 a lot of money in Jamaica? 100 Jamaican dollars is not a lot of money. It is equivalent to about 68 cents in the US. 100 US dollars, however, is about 14,700 Jamaican dollars at the current exchange rate. Number 20. Why are Jamaicans so angry? Jamaicans are not angry. We are expressive, we are assertive, we are proud people, but we are not angry, and definitely not more than any other country. We use colorful language to express ourselves, and we generally project our voices when we speak. We are confident in our abilities, decisive, self-assured, strong-willed, but not angry.